Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our magical life. Today, I will talk about something that can completely transform your reality. Not by working hard or not by trying more, but by becoming someone different. What if I told you the life you dream about already exists in the reality? Please be noted that what we really have in our life is the present moment. And the only thing which standing between you and your dream life is how you are choosing to be right now in the present moment. Are you in doubt? Are you in fear in this moment? Let us do a simple practice. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine your ideal life. Imagine you are living your dream life now. See yourself in your mind's eye, living your dream life. You are successful. You are abundant. You are confident. Everything flows to you naturally. Now ask yourself, how does that version of you behave? So the key to your dream life is to embody that state of being always. Not just when things are going well, but when things go wrong also. Because the truth is that your future self does not react to life the way you are doing now. Your future self does not wait for circumstance to change. Your future self decides who you are, and then life reflects its back into your reality. Means the universe or the life force energy is like a mirror. It will reflect what is in front of the mirror, or what is in front of it means what state of being you are in. It will reflect your state of being back to your life. So if you are in doubt or in fear, you will be receiving the reality or the life situation matching with your inner state. Most people think, I will feel confident when things work out, or I will be relaxed when everything is stable, or I will be happy when I become successful. But that is not the way universe or the life force energy operates. Circumstances don't matter. Your state of being does matter to the universe. The life force energy or universe is neutral. It is just like a mirror only. And whatever meaning you are giving to a situation, that is what you experience. That is what universe will reflect back into your life as life situations to you. So what is really stopping you? It is not your lack of opportunity. It is not your lack of ability. It is the fear. It is the doubt within you that is stopping you from your dream life. Fear of failure, fear of losing the control, fear of what if this goes wrong or that goes wrong, etc., etc. But today, I want to give you a simple tool with 2 simple words. Are you ready for that? This is that 2 words. No problem. Whenever something goes wrong, say no problem. If you lost a deal, no problem. Things doesn't go as planned, no problem. Because every experience is either a stepping stone or a lesson guiding you forward. Nothing is permanent. Nothing is final. Your power is in how you respond, how you keep your state of being. Now, here is where the magic happens. When you become your future self, how to do that? Just by embodying the emotions of your future self. Right now, in this moment, no matter what is happening around you, become the version of yourself who already achieved your dream. Means emotionally embody that successful state of being. That is the key. So, from today onwards, practice this. In every situation, ask yourself, how would my future self respond right now in this situation? Ask yourself. Then act as your future self. Think like your future self. Speak like your future self. And move like your future self. Move confidently. Even if your life or your reality has not changed yet, act like your future self. Because when you change your vibration or your state of being, you begin to see opportunities that were always there in the universe, but invisible to you because of your old self or because of your old state of being. And one more thing, stop trying. Trying means you don't fully believe it. Instead of that, decide your life. Choose who you are and live it. And relax. You are not running out of time. You are an infinite being. There is no rush. There is only now. So slow down, enjoy the journey, and remember the version of you dream about, which you dream about, is waiting for you to become. So if this message resonates with you, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with someone who needs this reminder today. And always remember, you are creating your reality from within by aligning your state of being with your future self emotionally. So welcome to your magic life. Thank you, guys.